You've just bought a new washer dryer and you've booked your installation with Team Knowhow. And now you might be wondering what's next. Here's a few things you need to get ready at home. Check to make sure you have enough space for your new washer dryer to get to its location. Walk through from where it's being delivered to where it's being fitted, and you can measure the doorways and hallways as you do this. And this is the time to remove any obstacles that might be in your way. It's time to grab your tape measure and head over to the space where your new washer dryer will be fitted. Although you've probably already done this, it's a great idea to double check to avoid any last minute surprises. You need to make sure that you've measured the height, width and depth accurately and carefully. For proper ventilation, you need to make sure that you have a gap of 2.5 centimetres either side and 15 centimetres at the back. Subtract these from your width and depth measurements to make sure that you have enough available space. And it's also a really good idea to check that you have enough room to properly open your washer dryer door for unloading and loading. Now you've made sure that everything's going to fit okay, you need to go on to check your connections. These will either be at the back wall, or if you're like me, they'll be under the sink. You need to make sure that you have a cold water supply, a wastewater pipe and an electrical connection. And now you're all set, you can enjoy your new tech.